Hi, so for our banana berry coconut smoothie with pitaya, also known as dragon fruit, we are going to start with 1 cup coconut milk. We are going to add our frozen strawberries. I like using the frozen fruit because it helps with the thickness. We are then going to add a fresh banana. You can use a frozen banana if you want it thicker. And last, but most certainly not least, we are going to add our dragon fruit, our Explore Superfoods dragon fruit. Because this is a strawberry dragon fruit drink, we are going to garnish it with a single strawberry. There we go. A papaya smoothie with coconut, strawberry, and banana.